Hello everyone. This is a video about how I release the fingers with the soldering iron. You have to, if you can, so reach up to 400 degrees Celsius. Under that it's gonna be harder to release it. So this one I can reach about 400, and then they come off pretty easy, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. Any second. Normally I used to hold this with my hand, but now I have my phone to record it. So okay, and also you need to have a flat tip. Then you just try to hold it, focus, and you just scrap. Take some time before you get one off. As soon as you get one off, that's why I normally used to hold it with my hand. Try to do that. Whoops. It's a bit tricky in the beginning, but it won't stop. Try to go a little bit further. Go there. See, come off. If you go a little bit slower, it can come off under it. You have to start warming everything up. Sometimes I have to switch this to the other side. That normally goes a little bit easier. If you have time or ability to do this, you save the acids, or you get less scrap in the. Turn it off. There you have it. Go pretty fast actually, so it's easier if you have everything around it off. You hold it with your hand to get more stabilized. Now I have to use this other thing to hold it because I have the phone, but keep scrapping and have fun.